And now we will enter into the last section of this lesson, which is about sign language technologies and signing avatars. Signing avatars are virtual signers. For example, here in the slide, you can see Tessa, which is the virtual avatar, virtual signer that first worked in a post office in the United Kingdom. Some sign language interpreters might feel threatened by the presence of these virtual signers, but probably even when the sign technologies have been fully developed, virtual signers will not replace human interpreters, but rather they will be assigned a different kind of interpreting services. That is where the restricted language domain is present, or in situations where human interpreters are not available, so that having a virtual interpreter rather than no interpretation at all would be a better option. But of course, if you have to choose between a virtual signer or a human signer, all deaf users would agree that human signers are the better option. However, we don't feel that these virtual signers will be working in the near future, because still a lot of research has to be developed, both sign language linguistic research, but also developing sign language translation technologies, and also the avatar sign language synthesis needs to be improved. The translation systems from spoken language to sign language would combines speech-to-text conversion systems, like speech recognition systems, with a text-to-sign translation system, that is a sign synthesis using a signing avatar. And this would probably be possible within restricted language domains, where a certain vocabulary appears in a highly frequent basis, and for example, there are certain structures or syntactic structures that are recurrent. One of these restricted language domains is the weather forecast or the weather emergencies. And actually, in the project, in HBB4ALL project, there is this signing avatar for weather forecasts that has been developed and is being researched in using Spanish sign language. So have a look at the video of our signing avatar talking about the weather forecast in Spain.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Empezamos la que es la última semana de primavera. En el mapa isoárico previsto para mañana veremos que la situación continúa bastante revuelta, y es que tenemos un frente cálido que, como ven, nos va a afectar prácticamente durante todo el día. No se mueve demasiado, va a ser bastante lento. Estamos rodeados además de borrascas, de centros de bajas presiones, así que la cosa promete bastante revuelta, sobre todo por la tarde.
As you have seen, two-dimension signing avatar lack naturalness, especially because only the manual information is conveyed and facial information is almost not present. So in the near future, different models, especially 3D signing avatars, will be developed so that facial expression, body movements, accurate body emotions can be included, so that improved linguistic quality and more naturalness can be added to these signing avatars. So, for example, in the Sign 3D project, they are developing these three-dimension avatars using motion capture technology. Have a look at the video and compare the kind of signing these 3D avatars can do and not present in the 2D signers. Signers, 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 signers. I hope you have enjoyed the video clip, and now it's time for question number 6, our last question in this lesson. So the question is, signing avatars on TV, A, will replace human interpreters in the near future? B, have the potential to work in restricted domains in the near future? C, are the preferred communication system by young devs? And the correct answer is B, signing avatars have the potential to work in restricted domains in the near future on TV. So congratulations, you have reached the end of unit number 4 lesson about sign language broadcasting. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson and that you will continue to learn more about accessibility and especially about accessibility in sign language. You can find the references in the next few seconds of the video. Again, my name is Marta Bosch Baliarda and I hope to see you soon.